We're here at ISE 2023 here in the ScreenBeam booth at 2S740. And right now we're talking with Joe from Aver. And we're talking a little bit about the partnerships and what that means to each other, what that means to our customers, and a little bit about some of the technology and how we're making things work together. What's your take on all of this?
First and foremost, it's fantastic for us to be working with ScreenBeam. You know, we want to simplify meeting room solutions as much as possible for the end user. And the more interactive and simple it is for them, and the more affordable and usable it is, the better it is for everybody. So it's a partnership that really goes hand in hand to make everything a much more smoother process.
I'm really excited about what this partnership represents and what it means for the customers, because we're lighting all of that up wirelessly with our ScreenBeam conference software. You're getting that really good quality video coming from the camera, and that's really kind of the pieces you need to have that hybrid meeting experience.
Absolutely, and I think especially in this day and age, everything coming out of COVID, the average Joe wants to be able to make everything as easy as possible to use. You do not want to be plugging a million cables in. Do I need to do this? Do I need to do that? You want to turn up, have your meeting, and make that as simple and as smooth as possible. When with our solutions, the drivers, everything is built into the camera, so there's no need to be running additional software, firmware, anything like that. It's truly USB, plug and play, and away you go. That
saves installation costs in a big way, right?
Absolutely, especially for the hybrid worker. As you say, a lot of people these days, they're in the office maybe 2-3 days a week, working from home, and you need to keep that cost down, especially as the office environments are not being used as much as they were. You need to keep that affordable as much as possible. So it's a great way of being able to do that.
Yeah, and I think the other kind of piece that comes into play is kind of bringing that equity, right? Because you're right, we're working in a hybrid environment now. That is the new normal. That means you're gonna have people in a conference room, much like this. You're gonna have people working remotely, and you need to bring equity to those folks that are attending remotely, right? And having those capabilities of the camera, being able to clearly capture everybody in the room, delivers that equitable experience so that the people attending remotely really feel included in that meeting space.
I think you're absolutely spot on, and bringing ScreenBeam, Aver, Yamaha all together, it really ties that together as one complete solution. And I think that's the key point. It's the point of not bringing solutions together for the sake of bringing solutions together. It's for the benefit of everybody.
Right.
Developing solutions for all environments as well. It's all well and good when you have a boardroom for 10 people maybe,
right,
but it's having the solutions for the smaller spaces, the mid spaces, the large spaces. And that's something that we've really brought to the table to make sure we're not just a one-stop shop. We're not saying, hey, here's the Cam 520 Pro 2, for example, let's make that fit in every space. It's really about fine-tuning that and making sure you've got the right solution for the right environment. And I think that goes hand in hand with ScreenBeam and also Yamaha as well.
Yeah.